on the tram to the heartbeat of a mountain, singing song of ages unseen. Greet those who come with a purpose, so that one dance to the hum that comes from the stream. There is no time left for fear of sorrow if we want to see tomorrow divine. There is no place left for wallowing in the tears you're swallowing with wine. If we all join hands for long enough, we may all be strong enough to survive. But till then we'll make it through the pain, taking hits but staying the same. That's life. Strong on the strings that control the shifting cosmos, you may bring a glimpse of divine. Stand up and sing, or sit down and shout it out, so we hear the ring of all space and time. There is no time left for fear and sorrow if we want to see tomorrow divine. There is no place left for wallowing in the tears we're swallowing with wine. If we all join hands for long enough, we may soon be strong enough to survive. But till then we'll make it through the pain, dancing in the warm rain. That's life. I've got a picture that I drew. I've got a picture just for you. I've got a picture and it's going on the fridge. I've got a garden that I plant. I've got a farm that's full of vets. I've got it all and I could show it all to you. If you remember what it's like to be a child, if you remember all the time that you forgot, if you realize deep down you could still be a kid, you'll grow old doing all the childish things you did. And you might like it a little too much, and you might like it. I climb the trees and lick the dew. I watch the bees, they're buzzing too. I dare to dance and sing in public unashamed. I know I'll always be this way, a juvenile but in a frame. I take it all in with a sparkling eye or two, and I remember what it's like to be a child, and I remember all the time that I began, and I realize deep down I may still be a kid, and grow old doing all the childish things I did. And I might like it. And I might like it.
You want to do one more, or you can stop. It's up to you.
I'll do one more. Little star, that I'm talking to in delirious state, moving slow at the time you go, leaving me with no choice but to wait till tonight. At twilight, I'll need you glowing one without the knowledge of saying, without thinking while you're far away and winking at me. My ever-growing son, I know you will someday return, but till you do, I will yearn and oscillate at the end from here. the sky, mysterious bar. Blind light, distant glowing spring, come on down tonight. I will meet you in the park at twilight. Welcome here on Awaken. Will you tell me all that you're thinking without speaking to remind me that I do divine? I am the glowing sun. I know I was something eternal to you before my soul ascends to more. Suspended in bliss, I am now his son. I'm sure you will someday return, but till you do, I will bear the weight and burden.